DECK, Decker Outdoors, has just reported their quarterly results, everyone. And the wonderful thing about that part of it, MMTs, is that we had featured the fact that Decker, one of our senior MMTs, had found this Decker chart off of the lows last week. And basically, I'm going to show where Decker was, DECK, on this daily chart. And basically, I'll do a quick snapshot because this is live with the earnings. But Decker had ran up $10 off of the low, and then selling into that resistance is the right thing to do. Now, having said that, that's what the daily chart looks like. Now, in the after hours market, we can see that it's getting a nice haircut on that short right now. I'm featuring Decker Outdoors that ran from $80 to $90 in anticipation of a great earnings report, and why selling short that news was the right thing to do on DECK right here. That big giant, it's just getting hammered. That Decker Outdoors, and the bulls were all over Decker. DECK, DECK, Q1 EPS growth 50% versus plus 30.6% consensus of revs of 19% versus plus 28.7% consensus update. And once again, knowing the gift when to sell into the news, how to get those rallies in anticipation, how to sell those rallies short, how this stock is down $10 here and now, how to short after hours, how to sell into resistance. Decker is one that we've been involved with for many years, and you can see why the bull in Decker's is getting woodshedded. Nice trade, MMTs, nice trade from day one at the bottoms. It's right back here, MMT. It's right back at this daily area where buying the dips down here. We have come all the way back down here in the after hours. So let's take a look at where Decker may end up. Right now it's printing right here across the trend line. So this is what that gap is at the moment. It's going to be right here, 75 is the low end. But don't worry, you're right about in this area where it had a lot of support and a rally up to the tops here, to that reversal in the earnings. Now, having said that, we can buy the low end of these earnings right now and take it to the upside. And we could put limit orders in at 77, 75, 77, 77, 75, 77, 75, 77, 75, 80 by 11, 777. We're going to put that bottom in. We're going to put that bottom in. This is how bottoms are put in on the earnings and how to buy. So when the short drops $10, you make money, and then you buy it off the bottom and you sell it going back up. 79, 70, I got 77, 75. I got 77, 75.